What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can redeem a promo code in Trading212 app. Also for this example I will be using my own promo code, so if you want to support the channel and grab a free stock worth up to $100, you can use my promo code from the description down below. Nevertheless, let me show you how you can redeem promo codes. So once you open up your Trading212 app, click on these three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Here you can find all of your settings along with your free shares tab. So from here just scroll down a bit until you can see use promo code tab. So just go ahead and click on use promo code, and here you can enter the promo code that you have. I will just enter my promo code, this one right here, and you just need to click apply code. So it's of course invalid because it's mine, but you can use this promo code if you made your account in the last 10 days. So that's how you can use a promo code in Trading212. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further and you have a fresh account on Trading212, feel free to use my promo code. Thank you for watching.